Unlocking great deals. Understanding special offer. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the world of shopping and marketing. Special offer. Whether you're a savvy shopper or a curious learner, understanding this term is key to navigating sales and promotions. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this phrase. A special offer is a promotion or discount provided by sellers to encourage customers to purchase products or services. It's a marketing strategy designed to attract attention and make sales more enticing. These offers are usually limited in time or quantity, adding a sense of urgency for consumers to act fast. There are various types of special offers you might encounter, such as discounts, a certain percentage off the original price. Buy one get one free, BOGOF. You receive an additional item at no extra cost. Free shipping. No charge for delivery, often with a minimum purchase. Gifts with purchase. Complimentary items included when you buy a specific product. Special offers are often advertised with phrases like limited time only, exclusive deal, or while supplies last. Keep an eye out for these key terms, and always read the fine print to understand the full details of the offer. Special offers can be beneficial for both the seller and the buyer. For sellers, it's a way to increase sales and move inventory. For buyers, it's an opportunity to save money and try new products. However, it's important to consider whether the offer provides genuine value or if it's simply a marketing tactic. That's a wrap on special offers. Next time you see one, you'll know exactly what it means and how to evaluate its worth. We hope this video has been informative and helps you make the best shopping decisions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.